Well, I was going to carry on stripping this engine down. I was going to take this governor, well, the throttle arm governor linkage off. Just pull that off first. So it looks like two 10mm bolts. That was it. Take the spark plug out. In fact, I'll just whip the rocker cover off first. Put them back in so I don't get them mixed up. What's the gasket? Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, what look like 12mm. Don't know where my magnets go, I was going to pull them out, but never mind. I'll tell you what I forgot to do, undo this shield. Never mind. Probably best to undo them nuts with the head bolts in, but might get away with it. Oh, it looks alright. Okay, so the head's loose. Just pull it off. Push rods. So that's it. Pretty easy. Take the heads off them. Got 2 dowels there in your head gasket. I don't know the torques for these because I ain't got a manual for it. So if you can find one, send me a link. I was going to leave them loose for now because I've got to take it back off anyway. So these just push down into there and they usually locate pretty easy. Then when you push them on, you just have to push the valve down a bit and it slots in. Okay, that one don't seem to want to go in for some reason, but I'll do it off camera.